So hey everyone, in this video we are going to see that how can you use black, which is a Python based code formatter, for formatting your codes. Firstly, let's open our browser and search for black py. Black is the you can say module which you require, and py is the website. Click on first link. This is the basic command for installation, that is pip install black. So there is a question that why do we need this? See, Black is a standardized, you can say, code formatter. There are many companies which uses a standardized banner for writing codes and to avoid all the mess created by any coder. We uses Black, which can make our code, you can say, much easier, code formatting much easier in just one click. Okay, so what is the, you can say, command for this? You have to type in your terminal Black and then the file name. Just it's just a simple task. Now let's move in our VS Code. Firstly, we need to, you can say, install our black. That is pip install black. Pip install black. Okay, I've already installed this, so it is showing requirement already satisfied. Okay, now create a new file, which will be main.py. Okay, let's close this terminal and let's start by just doing a basic example. Let's define an array whose elements will be 1, 2 and 3. So this is an array with the elements 1, 2 and 3. Now we have to format this code using black. What you have to do is open your terminal. You can just open this by clicking this and this new terminal. And then you just have to type black and then main.py. Now you will see here the change. Click here. You can see that a space is added between every element, you can say, at the start of every element. Now let's create another array be equal to 3, 4. In 4 I will give space, but in 5 I will not. Now let's see. Black main.py. Okay. Okay, sorry, we need to save this in firstly. Then again. Okay. So this is the some, you can say, basic example of code formatting by black. If you have array like this, something 1, 2 and then in next line this, all this. Now let's see. Here is one more command for, you can say, if you want to format many, if you want to format many, you can say, many files like in a one click, then what you have to type is black and then dot. Okay, just a second. So there is some syntax error. Okay, then control S and then type. Yes, you can see that this is again reformatted. So this is a basic usage, but if you want to do, you can say, on just save. Whenever you save this program, this will be auto formatted. Then how can you do is this. Firstly, open your settings. Here go on file and then preferences. Where's preferences? Here. And then click on settings. By clicking by clicking this button, you can open its JSON file. Here is the JSON file for your settings. Now go in your extensions tab and search this extension, that is black formatter. Black formatter. This will be from Microsoft Store. Sorry, Microsoft.com. Scroll down and you will find this command. Copy this command. Firstly, you need to install this extension and then copy this command. Then come back in your settings.json. Here you have to paste this command and then just save this. Now let's try this. Here, firstly, let me show you what is this. This is your default formatter. This will be black formatter, and when it will format on save. On save it is set true. Okay, now let's try. Uh, we can just do this and close our terminal. Now I will press Ctrl S. This will get formatted automatically. Okay, so as you can see that on saving your program, your code will, you can say, automatically formatted. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope you have liked this. Now let's see you next time.